The portable gaming revolution is hitting a fever pitch, and if you think the original handheld wars were intense, you haven't seen anything yet. For the last few years, we've watched a three-way street fight between the Steam Deck, the Lenovo Legion Go, and the Asus ROG Ally. But as we move into 2026, the dust is settling, and one name is rising to the top with a level of raw power that shouldn't even be legal in a handheld. We are talking about the Asus ROG Ally 2, also known in some circles as the ROG Xbox Ally X. This isn't just a mid-cycle refresh. This is a total hardware coup. Asus has taken every single complaint from the first generation, the battery life, the SD card issues, the Windows clunkiness, and they haven't just fixed them. They've buried them under a mountain of next-gen silicon. Let's get straight to the heart of the beast, the silicon. The rumors and FCC leaks have confirmed that the flagship ROG Ally 2 is powered by the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme. Now, don't let the name fool you into thinking it's a minor step up. This chip is built on the brand new Zen 5 architecture, utilizing a hybrid core design that features 8 cores and 16 threads. But here is where it gets interesting for the tech nerds. It uses a mix of performance and efficiency cores, specifically 3 Zen 5 and 5 Zen 5C cores. Why does this matter for you? Because it allows the handheld to sip power while you're browsing or playing indie titles. But the moment you launch Cyberpunk 2077 or Starfield, the Zen 5 cores kick in with a boost clock of up to 5.0 GHz. We are looking at a 25% to 30% increase in single-core performance over the original Z1 Extreme. This isn't just a handheld. It's a high-end gaming laptop that someone accidentally shrunk in the wash. But the real magic isn't in the CPU, it's in the graphics. The Z2 Extreme is packing the Radeon 890Mi GPU with 16 RDNA 3.5 compute units. In real-world benchmarks that have started leaking out of testing labs, this thing is a monster. We're seeing frames per second numbers that actually compete with dedicated entry-level desktop GPUs. At a 25 Watt TDP, the ROG Ally 2 is pushing nearly 50 FPS in Black Myth. Yukong at 1080p on a handheld. And because of the move to 24GB of LPDDR5X, 8000 RAM as the standard for the high-end model, the stuttering and memory bottlenecks that plagued the original Ally are officially a thing of the past. You can finally play with texture quality set to high without watching your frame rate drop off a cliff. Now let's talk about the one thing that everyone hated about the first Ally. The battery. It was the Achilles heel. You'd get 45 minutes of Elden Ring, and then scramble for a charger. Asus has listened. The ROG Ally 2 is rumored to feature a massive 80 Wh battery. That is double the capacity of the original. When you pair that huge tank with the efficiency of the Zen 5C cores, we are looking at true marathon gaming. We're talking 3 to 4 hours of heavy AAA gaming and up to 10 hours for lighter titles or media consumption. This changes the device from a couch-to-couch, handheld into a legitimate travel companion. You can actually survive a flight from New York to LA on a single charge. The display is the next battlefield, and Asus is bringing out the big guns. While the original had a great 120Hz LCD, the 2026 model is making the jump to OLED.